Hi, and welcome to Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. For today's recipe, I'm gonna be making a pie, or it's actually kind of like a quiche as well, utilizing my secret ingredient, sun chips. Sun chips were created by the Frito-Lay Corporation. In 1991, they're kind of a newer chip to the market. And the funny thing is about the name sun chips and what the name even means. Well, they're called sun chips because these chips are actually created by the sun. They are created in a solar powered factory as part of the processing process. I'm gonna start by making a crust for my pie using these sun chips, harvest cheddar. I'm just gonna put them in the food processor and chop them up. Now I need to add a half a cup of flour. I'm gonna process that for about 30 seconds. I've cut up some sticks of butter and I'm gonna put that right in here and I'm gonna pulse it for about 20 seconds. This is frozen butter, they say to use. I'm whisking 1 egg with 2 tablespoons of water. And I'm going to be adding it to this dough and pulsing it a little bit more. I'm going to plop that dough right onto some plastic wrap and I'll be forming it into a disc shape. Now I'm going to take this beautiful dough and I'm going to refrigerate it for a few hours to let it chill. Got the dough out of the refrigerator, going to let it sit for a minute. Then I'm gonna roll it out and put it in a 9-inch pie dish. I'm gonna cool it down in the fridge for a little bit. I need to fry up some bacon. But look, I found these in the store. Sausage strips. So it's not bacon, it's actually sausage. I'm gonna try those out. Chop the bacon up. I'm adding that bacon to the bottom of the pan. For the inside of the pie, I'm going to be using these sun chips, chili lime flavored yum. At one point, sun chips developed a biodegradable bag, and you know what? People complained about it. They said the bag was too noisy. So sun chips created a quieter bag. Listen. Oh my gosh, so quiet. Thanks, sun chips. I'm gonna smash a few of these chips in a baggie. And those crushed chips. And some extra sharp cheddar cheese. I'm gonna whisk together 3 eggs with a pint of half and half. You can add a little salt and pepper to the mix. I'm gonna pour this egg mix on top. Then I'm gonna bake it in a 375-degree oven for about 40 minutes. On the outside of my pie, I'm going to be sprinkling on top some original sun chips crushed. Did you know the original sun chip is the only vegan sun chip? It does not contain any milk product. It also doesn't contain palm oil.
Thank you so much.
All complete. Now I'm going to crush some of these and put them right on top. And a little more cheese. Sun chip pie. Have you ever heard of anything like that before? Probably not, I made it up. Well, let's give this a try, shall we? I let it chill a little bit. Now let's give it a try. Fun flavors. I could taste the different types of sun chips in there. And the cheese is great, and the bacon is that sausage bacon. So unusual. But yes, this is definitely not a quiche. It's definitely more like a pie because it has a custardy flavor to it. And it's fun. You might want to give this one a try. Sun chip pie. Thank you so much for joining me here at Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. It's always a joy having you in my kitchen. If you want, subscribe to my channel and even click that notification bell if you want to see my videos all the time. Why was the sun so mad at those clouds? Because they were always throwing shade.